Welcome to Barrett-Jackson Automobilia. I'm Rory Brinkman. The Barrett-Jackson 2026 Automobilia auction is going to be one for the record books. Several lifelong collections with over 1,000 items will be crossing the block and selling at no reserve. Most of the tin and porcelain signs, be it soda or auto or oil, are in near mint to mint condition. We'll be selling over 100 neon porcelain signs, probably one of our best offerings of authentic kiddie rides. These are highly restored and in perfect functioning condition. Followed by some of the nicest jukeboxes ever to be offered publicly. Vintage gas pumps will be represented with over 40, everything from 1920s visibles to late 1950s short computing pumps. You'll be cruising in style with this 1959 Cadillac car couch. This isn't some new reproduction. This is an actual authentic 1959 Cadillac rear end, but now it's been cleverly and professionally restored into an iconic statement piece. But this is the only 1959 cocktail table we've ever seen. This is an out-of-the-ordinary 1940s CANTEEN 5-cent coin-operated cigar machine. It's the only one we've ever offered, and it underwent an over-the-top restoration. Beautifully painted and features all hand-painted stenciling and graphics. And the best part? It's fully functional. Over 40 unique and highly restored gas pumps will be crossing the block, including this 1930s INVADER oil Bowser X-Acto SENTRY Model 310 clock face gas pump. It's commonly referred to as a clock face because it looks like a grandfather clock. Even features the clear VisiGauge, which would allow the motorist to see the purity and the quality of the gasoline being pumped into their vehicle. It's hard to find just one fuel island, but we have not one, but two, but three actually selling in the auction, all at no reserve. This fabulous Mobil oil fuel island service station display features two expertly restored 1948 to 1952 TOKHEIM 39 service station gas pumps, along with a custom crafted metal fuel island and station ladder unit. It underwent a beautiful show car quality restoration and even features premium and regular. Also crossing the block is a superb SUNOCO oil service station fuel island, along with a poly oil fuel island. Poly gas is really popular for its very colorful and eye-catching parrot logo. This is an exceptional 1928 Wayne 515 Richfield oil visible gas pump. It underwent a true Conqueror quality restoration and features lovely brass as well as chrome accents. And the cherry on top that makes this so special is the custom-built rotating globe. Within the offering are 80 hard-to-find and highly sought-after vintage gas pump globes. The highlight is this 1930s Ben Franklin oil gill-bodied milk glass gas pump globe. Their globes are very desirable. This is the only Ben Franklin we've ever had the opportunity to sell. It again features nice graphics and great colors. Contending with the Ben Franklin is a hard-to-find Rock Island Capcolite-bodied gas pump globe. The styling's on display with these two vintage diner jukeboxes from the period. This beauty is a 1958 Seaberg 201 jukebox. It's known for its great sound and automotive styling. The three very late 1950s-esque automotive taillights that are featured as part of the front grille. This one's been beautifully restored with all new chrome plating, rebuilt inside and out. And this one is a showstopper. This is a 1960 Rock-Ola Tempo 2 Model 1485 diner jukebox. It underwent a no-expense-spared restoration, probably the finest Rock-Ola Tempo 2 on the planet. And again, check out the beautiful tail fin design. Over 400 tin and porcelain, auto and oil signs. The majority are new old stock or immaculate in grade. And many are from the 1920s to the 1960s, like this late 40s, early 50s Autolite batteries tin sign, approved wayside porcelain sign, original shipping tag still on the sign, never displayed. Again, almost 100 years old. The Red Crown gasoline, 6-foot tall, single-sided porcelain thermometer with the Red Crown graphic on it. This extremely scarce new old stock INVADER motor oil tin sign from the 1930s, or also this Waverly. Look at the condition, look at the graphics and the colors. How about a 1950s new old stock Pontiac die-cut chieftain head sign? Then we're also going to be featuring a lot of dealership signs, from like the 1950s, 60s, 70s, BMW service, Austin service, and many, many more. Even a very clean 1960s Porsche Automobiles single-sided porcelain dealership sign. You're looking at a 1930s, 1940s, new old stock, Val gasoline motor oils, double-sided bell-shaped tin service station sign. It was never displayed and found in pristine condition. Both sides are very nice and present in factory fresh condition. Coming from a long-time Midwestern bottlers collection, these pieces are new old stock and immaculate. Everything like late 60s, early 70s 7-Up Uncola signs that have the Peter Mac style graphics, beautiful artwork and color that really captures the time period. Other signs like 1940s and 1950s Coca-Cola signs. Lots of soda brands are represented, even things like 1920s knee-high. It features this really risque for the time period, ladies' leg with heels and stocking. Whoever the graphic artist was probably got arrested back in the day for that. Really neat and fun pieces like Whistle Orange Soda that features the adorable elf. Or here's a 1960s new old stock Mountain Dew with Willie the Hillbilly. Or very eye-catching 1950s ski soda that features a water skiing soda bottle. The colors are very vibrant and the condition's amazing. And look at this one. This one's over 60 years old. Looks like it was made yesterday. This is a professionally restored 1948 Coca-Cola Vendo 27 5-cent coin-operated soda machine. It cools perfectly. It could be used either on a countertop or this one presents with the original pipe stand. I think it's time for a Coke. Featured at the Barrett-Jackson 2026 Scottsdale Auction are 10 highly coveted and professionally restored coin-operated kiddie rides, with everything from a vintage Chris Craft to Western horses, even a Donald Duck. Donald Duck is one of the most adored of all cartoon characters. He was created in 1934 by Walt Disney. This is a 1950s Donald Duck professionally restored coin-operated kiddie ride. It is a blue chip collectible and considered by many to be a true piece of art. It sports an immaculate restoration and has been upgraded to a modern audio box. This stunning circa 1930s, 40s Greyhound bus depot neon porcelain sign. The porcelain finish is very pristine and untouched. It's even adorned with the original Colux of Kokomo, Indiana porcelain manufacturer's tag. It presents with a double-sided neon animated dog on the marquee. Statement making is this 1940s, 1950s airport motel single-sided neon porcelain sign, standing 8.5 feet tall and 10.5 feet across. The porcelain is all original and untouched. It features animated neon of the airplane silhouette, plus airstrip beacons, landing lights, and more. So, the only place you want to be in January is at the Barrett-Jackson 2026 Scottsdale Auction at scenic WestWorld. The auction action starts on January 17th and runs through the 25th. And don't worry, we have shippers on site, so every piece in the offering can be safely and securely shipped to your doorstep. For ticket or bidder information, go to Barrett-Jackson.com.